An essential requirement for becoming the conscious creator of your life is being present. When you're present in the now, you're in touch with your true point of power. When you get caught in the thoughts of the future and of the past, then you lose touch with this power and it becomes more difficult to direct your life. My name is Vish, and today I'm going to share with you 3 simple and practical ways that you can invite more presence into your life daily. The first way to invite more presence into your life is by taking every seemingly negative event and finding why it's happened for your advantage. For example, you might have had a trip planned to go overseas shortly, but due to the travel restrictions, you can no longer go. You might decide that this has happened for you because you now get time to start that business that you've wanted to start for a while. When you focus on why things are happening for you in your life, you begin to shift into higher realities and your desires become manifest. Fear also dissipates, and fear is the #1 obstacle to effortless presence. The second way to invite more presence into your life is through something that most of us spend a lot of our lives doing anyway: walking. When you walk, slow down the pace just a little bit and focus your awareness on each step and on every breath. And what will begin to happen is that your breath and your steps will find a natural rhythm with each other and generate presence. Soon your mind will go quiet and you'll become more aware of the sensations in your body and all around you. And the third way to invite more presence into your life is simply by allowing time for multiple resets throughout the day. You can take 5 to 10 minutes out at a time, where you just sit quietly and focus your awareness on your breath or the sounds around you or the sensations in your body. When you practice one pointed focus, you practice a muscle that will allow you to simply snap into presence on demand. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and let me know by leaving me a comment below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified of any new videos I put out. Much love as always, and I will see you in the next video.